Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key battery in a 2019 and up Chevy Silverado. We're currently in the year 2025, so I don't know in the future if it'll be a different key, but 2019 to 2025 for this video. You don't need any tools, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. So I start by taking out just the mechanical key there, and then you can just grab the cover by right here and just pull up on it. That'll pop it open. And you got the key battery here. You can kind of just get your finger under there, push towards that way, and pull the key battery out. It uses a CR2450 battery in there, so if you're looking for a new battery to get the CR2450. Put it back in, same way. Just go back in from that angle. Positive side faces back towards you. And put the cover back on. Just kind of line it back up and press it back together there. And then you can put your mechanical key back in. That's it. Well, thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found this video helpful.